How can I request a PIN number for my Chase credit card?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of requesting a personal identification number, PIN, for your Chase credit card. This PIN is crucial for making cash advances at ATMs and sometimes required for transactions abroad, so it's important you know how to get it.
What is a PIN?
Before we dive in, it's essential to understand what a PIN is. A PIN, or personal identification number, is a unique numeric password that you, as a cardholder, will use to authenticate certain card transactions. It adds an extra layer of security to your card and is particularly essential when you're using your card at an ATM.
Preparing to request your PIN.
In order to request your PIN, you need to be a cardholder of a Chase credit card. You also need to have your card information handy and be enrolled in Chase's online banking service.
Steps to request your PIN.
Here are the steps to request your PIN through Chase's online portal. 1. Log in to your Chase account through their website. 2. Once you're in, navigate to the Things You Can Do menu. 3. Select Update Settings and Preferences, and then ATM and Debit Card Settings. 4. On the next page, you'll find an option to create a PIN or change your PIN if you already have one but want to change it. Click on it. 5. Follow the prompts to create your new PIN. Remember, your PIN should be something you can remember, but not something easily guessable like your birthday or 1234.
Other methods to request your PIN.
If you're unable to request your PIN online, there are a couple of other options. Call Chase customer service. The phone number is on the back of your card. Once connected, follow the automated prompts to request a PIN. Visit a Chase bank branch. A banking representative can assist you in setting up a PIN. And that's it. That's how you can request a PIN for your Chase credit card. Remember, keeping your PIN secure is crucial for the safety of your account. Never share it with anyone, and try to change it regularly for added security. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any other questions related to your Chase card, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and take care.